Hey guys, before we get into this video, I just needed to sort of give some backstory as to what happened to our Model X Plaid. We put in an order for this car about a year ago. We took delivery of this car about 2 weeks ago. We're one of the first deliveries of this Plaid X. I enjoyed the car for the 2 days that I had it. I had made a post on Twitter and I was super excited about the vehicle, and then someone had basically hit me up offering to buy the car off of me for a substantial amount. Later that night, I effectively made the deal happen and I got rid of the car really quickly. I loved the car for the time being in which I had it, but the vehicle was a little too big for me. But that sort of explains why I had to make this video so quickly at night before I got rid of the car. I didn't anticipate any of this happening, but here's the footage I got, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hey guys, ChargeGo here. We have our new 2022 Model X Plaid, one of the first delivered in the country. We have obviously these upgraded 22s, the Arachnids. This car is so beautiful. Just making a quick video here to showcase what this car has. This car is pretty much a Model S refresh in terms of the interior. Unfortunately, this video is being filmed at night. Oh well. But these seats are pretty much the same. We have a lot of space back there, but it's just typical Model X stuff. Nothing too special. For those of you who are curious, we ordered this car with the 22-inch Arachnids. We also have the Cognac interior with the 6-seater option. Looking back on this now, I have no idea why I got the 6-seater option, as I have no kids and no family, but this is a really big car, and some people are definitely going to get a lot of use out of that 6 or 7-seater option. But yeah, we have these Falcon doors. These ones are not supposed to leak on the refresh. And really, the interior of this vehicle just feels like a Model S. I'll say that from having driven a refreshed S and the refreshed X now. But I'm in love with these wheels, and I'm in love with the black paint on this car. It's so sinister. This car is so beautiful. Really, the difference between a long range and a Plaid is that this one is just way faster. But man, the black paint on this car is so deep. It's sick. You can get this setup on a long range and save 20 to 30 grand. So for those of you who are interested, it might not be a bad idea. I don't know what it is about the refresh, but I feel like the back space is so much more usable. This car just has a ton of space, and it actually feels a little too big for me personally because I don't have a lot of people that come into the car with me. Tesla makes their cars so fun to drive. I mean, who would have thought to make a 7 or 8,000 pound rocket ship with a yoke and a TV pointing right at you, and at the same time it's super comfortable, has adjustable air suspension, and it's smart in the sense that it can read when the road conditions become a little harsh, and it'll raise the suspension to make the ride softer. So that just blew my mind away. But also just the visibility of this car and the practicality of this vehicle, and also you can almost use this as your home if you really wanted to, living off the grid and all that kind of stuff. It's just a super fun vehicle. One thing that I will point out, which is specific to the S and the X models, is the shifter, you could say. It's a bit intuitive to put it down for drive and put it up for reverse, but I believe it works the opposite way. So that was just a little weird. It's something I want to throw in, and let me know your thoughts on that. But overall, guys, these are my impressions on the Model X Plaid. I think it's the best vehicle you can own in the entire world, in the sense that it's electric, it's faster than any vehicle on the road except for maybe a Model S Plaid. It's practical, it's very spacious, it's very comfortable, it's very luxurious. It's future-proofed in the sense that you have a huge screen in the middle of the vehicle. It's almost the size of a TV. And again, you have the yoke. It's so fun to drive. With the full self-driving and the autonomous driving coming in the future, this is definitely the car I would want to be in. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, give us some feedback, and we'll see you in the next one.